y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I ordered another FASHOM box. So I did one video on FASHOM a while ago. The sizing was a little bit off, but I loved the fact that they sent me ASOS pieces for some reason. That was like, I don't know, it was cool to me. So I really liked the quality and the brands that they sent me, but the sizing was a little bit off. So it's been a while since I've thought about FASHOM again, and I thought, you know what, let me give it another go, give it a fair chance, because I might actually get some things that I really, really like. So that's what we're going to do in this video. I have a different setup behind me. I got this clothing rack from Costco yesterday, put it together last night, and I'm really happy. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you the pieces, we'll talk about them, we'll try them on, and then we'll recap at the end and talk about what we like, what we don't like, and what we want to keep. As with other clothing subscription services, you get your prepaid postage. This is a little bag to send the stuff back that you don't want. And then your like little note saying, hey, thanks for subscribing and joining and all that good stuff. I will say something different about FASHOM is that you don't have to pay a styling fee, which is really nice. So you don't pay anything to get these clothes in the mail. You just pay for what you keep, obviously. And the clothes tend to be a little bit less expensive than like Stitch Fix and Dia & Co, just depending on what they send you, obviously. Susie Q is maybe my stylist. So first thing I'm going to pull is this. This is the Juna Rose Floral Shift Dress. This is $45 and it is in a US size 16. So this was the one thing that I wasn't very happy with. I loved the dress when it came in, but it's in a size 16 US. And I think that they just get a little confused because it says UK 20, US 16. But it's cute. It's a little bit short. It's a little bit snug in the stomach. But as I said, it's a size 16. If this was one size larger, it would fit perfect here. But look how pretty. I really like this. It's just like an easy throw-on dress. They do exchanges too. So if you get this box and you find something that you really, really like, then you can exchange it for the correct size. But this is pretty. I may exchange this one for just a larger size. Next thing is this Philosophy High-Low, so it's called a Ruffle High-Low Hem Dress, $34. It's in a size extra large, so I don't think that it's going to work for me. It's also super short. But you never know. Once we get it on, it may be a little bit different. So I turned my lights down so that you couldn't see through it so bad. It doesn't fit. It's not cute. I like the ruffle idea. It's just not, it's not cute. So next thing are these denim shorts from Liquor and Poker. They're in a US size 18. I think these said they were 46 bucks. Yeah, 46 bucks for these shorts. I love the color of them. I love the cuff at the bottom. So I don't know, they just seem like they're really well made. So those are cute, right? Next thing are a pair of these cropped pants. This is the brand The Ultimate Fit by Zach and Rachel. These are a size 18. I think they're 35 bucks for these. Okay, they're like little polka dot print. But I think what I like about these, they're elastic in the waist, but they'll be great for work because I need these like loose-ish but dressy type pants because it is so hot outside. So I'm kind of excited for these. They're super comfortable. I have nothing bad to say about them other than the fact that they don't have pockets. I would like pockets because I'll probably wear these for work. But I mean, they're really soft. I mean, I think for 35 bucks, they're worth it. Like, they're so soft and stretchy. Next thing is this, like, sage green top. It's from the brand Retrology. I don't know. It's in a size 1X. It's got some fun little embroidered detail on the bottom. I think this is like $26. Yeah, $26 for this top. It's in a 1X, so it looks to be, like, it's going to be a little bit snug. But I do really like the color. So this top is kind of cute, right? I love this detail at the bottom. I mean, it's a little snug like in the armpits and stuff. But it definitely has some stretch to it. I don't know. I think that a size bigger might look a little frumpy. I love this detail at the bottom. I don't know. What do we think? Do we like this one? I kind of do. Okay, next top is this white embroidered sleeve tee. This is 35 bucks. This is from the brand RXB Woman. It's in a size 1X. I really like this. I think it's really fun for summertime. I love this detail at the bottom. I just think that's so pretty. So this one looks like it's going to be pretty cute, right? Okay, I think it fits great here. I don't know if this, where it cuts, is the most flattering. Okay, I don't know. I kind of really like it. I mean, I'm wearing high-waisted pants right now, like they come up to like here. I kind of like it, y'all. I kind of like it. I think this is so pretty. All right, this one is an ASOS piece, and I'm excited about it. This is in a US size 18. This one is $51. Yeah, $51, but look how gorgeous. Like, I'm obsessed with the color and the pattern. It's called a wrap top, so it technically ties. I tied it like this to hang it. I'm not really sure if that's how it goes. So once we get it on, we'll be able to determine if I can correctly put on a wrap top for once in my life. So I double checked, and this one does tie in the back, on the picture anyways. Do people like sew buttons on these, or do you just wear a cami underneath or something? I don't know. I guess it's just weird to me that you would just, like, it's just open right there. I don't know. For that reason, I'm going to have to, I mean, I love the cut. Like, look how cute the cut is. But for that reason, I don't know, like, how, I just can't seem to understand this for some reason. Last thing is this, like, red floral. This is from the brand Glamorous Curve. It says it's in a size 24. It's a little more, like, fall-ish to me, or maybe spring. I like the color. I like the red. Could be pretty for work. It's got a cute button detail right here, like that goes down. But I don't think they're real buttons. Nope, they are. They're real buttons. This one will set you back 31 bucks. I kind of like this one too. What do we think? I mean, this feels great. It's super cute and comfy and flowy. Like, I feel like this would be really good for work. So what I really liked was this red top. I thought was really, really cute. I also liked the green, like the sage green color one, and this white one. I didn't think I would like this, and then I got it on and I was like, okay, so cute. And then I also liked these pants for sure. I do really like this dress. I would just need to exchange it for a larger size. Wrap top, I think is going to have to go back. This black dress, like, just didn't even work for me. Okay, so FASHOM, if you get 3 or more things, they give you 25% off. So I could get a discount for keeping all 4 of these things, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll post a link to FASHOM down below if you're interested in checking it out or trying it or anything, so that link will be directly down below. I'll also list the link to my first video if you're interested and you want to see what kind of stuff I got in my first video. So yeah, that's a wrap on this one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.